In the heart of a lush jungle, where the sun peeks through the trees and the air hums with the sounds of nature, a panda sits on a rock, gently strumming his guitar. Lost in the melody, he enjoys the quiet of the but wait. Something catches the panda's attention. A distant sound. A noise he's never heard before. His ears perk up, and without a second thought, he decides to invest. On the edge of the road, a young woman stands next to her car, looking frustrated. Her tire is flat and she has no idea how to fix it. She's stranded, unsure of what to do. And then, out of nowhere, a giant panda appears. The girl is startled, stepping back in fear. What is a panda doing here? Larki, scared, speaking to herself. Are, tum panda ho. Tum yahan kya kar rahe ho? Panda, smiling, reassuring. परेशान मत हो, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करने आया हूँ. The panda, with a calm and friendly smile, reassures her. He isn't here to cause trouble. No, he's here to help. The girl, still in disbelief, questions how a panda could help with a flat tire, but the panda, undeterred, confidently offers his assistance. मेरी कार का टायर बस्ट हो गया है और मुझे टायर चेंज करना नहीं आता. तुम तो पंडा हो, तुम मेरी क्या हेल्प कर सकते हाच? Without missing a beat, the panda opens the car's trunk and begins to work his magic. With strong paws and surprising skill, he lifts the car and changes the tire, all while the girl watches in utter amazement. Larky, astonished, whispering, Wah, tum to sach mein madad kar rahe ho. Grateful and impressed, the girl thanks the panda for his unexpected help, her face beaming with joy. Larky, excited, तुमने तो मेरी जिंदगी आसान कर दी. तुमने इतनी जल्दी टायर बदल दिया, मैं तो हैरान हो गई. Overcome with gratitude and feeling a rush of happiness, the girl hugs the panda in a spontaneous moment of affection. And just then, in a joyful blur, she kisses him on the cheek. Larky, laughing, feeling grateful. मैं कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि एक पंडा मेरी मदद करेगा, लेकिन तुमने सब कुछ इतना आसान बना दिया. Stunned by the kiss and the overwhelming gratitude, the panda starts to feel a little dizzy. He spins around with excitement, but before he knows it, he loses his balance and falls on his back with a soft thud. Panda, laughing nervously, dizzy. अरे, लगता है थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही खुशी हो गई. The girl laughs out loud at the sight of the panda spinning around. She helps him up, both sharing a light moment of joy. Larky, laughing, joking. अरे, क्या हो गया तुम्हें? तुम तो बिल्कुल बेरहुक का शिकार हो गए. As the panda gets back on his feet, he smiles